All right, so we're gonna walk through the process of cleaning your toilet bowl with Scrub It stick pack. This is super easy, but I will walk you through it because there are a few tips that might help you out here. So the first thing you got to do is get water into the bowl. So you're going to do that by holding down your foot pedal just slightly so that the water starts to fill up. And you should probably fill your bowl about halfway. Now go ahead and take one stick pack and tear open the top and pour the entire contents into the bowl. You'll see it starts to foam pretty quickly. I'd say give it a few seconds to let the foam kind of start to really build up. Now we're going to clean the bowl. And there's something for you to know. I would highly recommend you use a silicone bristled toilet brush. If you have a home toilet brush with those kind of hard vinyl or plastic bristles, toss that one out. You're going to damage your toilet seal. You're going to potentially damage your bowl. Definitely replace that with a silicone bristled brush, because now you can clean the bowl safely without damaging your seal, and trust me, you don't want to have to replace that toilet seal. So now that we have our foaming Scrub It, we're going to go ahead and start scrubbing all over the bowl. Make sure to get down into the seal area, make sure to get up under any ledges or lips. And what we're trying to do here is get rid of any kind of debris, staining, but also anything that would be causing odor. So just scrub away. Now that we're done scrubbing, you might be tempted to flush your toilet and just be done with it. And honestly, if you did, that would be fine. But this is one of those tips I'll throw out there. I would actually recommend leaving Scrub It inside the bowl after you're done cleaning for two reasons. One, this is going to allow Scrub It to keep cleaning even though you're no longer actively scrubbing it. The surfactants and the bacteria and the enzymes will move all throughout the bowl, and they'll keep cleaning anywhere that water is touching. So that's extra cleaning. Second, it's going to allow that bacteria to come out of spore form. So now when you flush it, it's now going to inject that bacteria into the black tank, and it's going to help with odor elimination, waste digestion, and paper breakdown. So good rule of thumb is just to clean the toilet bowl and then leave it until you need to use the bathroom again. This could be a few minutes, it could be a few hours. Doesn't matter if it stays in there for a while, it's not going to do any damage, but just let it sit there until you use the bathroom normally. And that's it.